Good morning there, YouTubers and family and friends. Welcome back once again to JJ's PC Builds. I got a little something for you that's kind of a shocker to me that I didn't pay attention to, but we're going to get this B-roll started and we're going to get into this and we're going to tell you what it's about right here on JJ's PC Builds. And welcome back. Before we get into it, I just want to say this. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. You watching my videos, make sure you subscribe so that way you get the latest videos coming up right here on YouTube. And make sure you watch all the videos so that way we can get up to 4,000 watch hours. It'd be much appreciated. So like and subscribe. Doesn't hurt. Doesn't cost anything. Why not? But anyway, let's get back to it, shall we? Okay, the thing is this. I made a mistake on my last video for the AMD Adrenalin 2212-1. Seems that, when I had the 2211-3 installed, I went to the app, the one that's on my my desktop. And I went and I looked for the updates. And it didn't come up with any new updates, but when I got emailed that the 2212-1 was out, it didn't come up on, it didn't upload onto the app. So what I had to do was I had to go to AMD's website and download the 2212-3. The reason for that is because it didn't come out. And truthfully, it's going to happen once in a while. So let me bring you over to my other screen and show you what I did. Okay, so when it comes down to it all, right here where it says the 2212-1, okay, it did update onto my PC, just to let you know, but as far as anything else that's special or anything, I can tell you, let me bring this back into perspective so you can see it a little bit better. There. So there's nothing new or special to it. It's an upgrade, like I told you in the last video, but I'm making this video to let you know it is possible to get it onto your PC, if you have the AMD video card. So I would imagine if I can get it onto my iGPU, that the discrete graphics card, you should have no problem updating for the older graphics cards, like the 6000 series. I know the the iGPU I got is in the 5000 series. So, but in the 6000 series and the 7000 series, it should work just fine. So, just to let you know, if you're looking to update your video card and you go to the home screen on this app, for the software for the AMD Adrenalin, don't stress out, because the thing is this, it will update. You just got to download it manually and install it manually, and make sure every time you do it, you do a fresh install and keep your settings, because it has a button on when you're getting ready to install it, it has a button there that will allow you to do additional tasks. So hit the additional task, make it clean, make sure you do clean installs every time you upgrade your drivers. So that's why they have that additional button, because it'll allow you to do a factory reset clean install. Instead of having to go to DDU or whatever and try to get whatever programs to take out your drivers for your video card, AMD's got one step in there that allows you to factory reset your drivers, and then it'll install the new drivers. So you don't have to go through that headache of having to go through the Windows system and basically, going 500 steps, and this takes all the 500 steps out, just to let you know. And with this too, that I've noticed, when I went to performance, I went to tuning, everything's the same, and when you go to gaming and you go to global graphics, it's got all the same, nothing's changed. But I noticed that this has virtual super resolution VSR on mine. So this has got virtual super resolution on mine. I'm using it on the screen, so you see it. It seems to do pretty good. I mean, the FPS, it keeps my FPS nice and steady. I don't have any problems with that, but you can enable virtual super resolution and it works just as good. Just to let you know that. And I don't have any problems with any gaming, so especially when I'm on Second Life. That's the thing with the super resolution, the virtual super resolution. It doesn't work good on Second Life, so I have to turn it off to use Second Life. It leaves Second Life with the black screen, so it doesn't work well with Second Life. But other gaming that I use, Steam games, it works pretty good. I tested this out. I spent a whole day yesterday testing this out after I realized that the problem was that, with the app, right here, and when you hit check updates, it didn't come up as an update. I was, that's what I was looking for, thinking it was going to come up as an update. So don't put yourself in the direction I did until you check everything out. So I checked everything out. I downloaded the program and I got 22.12.1 on the PC. Just to let you know. So don't stress out. It is there, and I do apologize for my last video. I thought it wasn't there. I did more detail checking and it seemed it's come out really well. So it is working. There's no problems with the driver suite. Everything's working really well. Just to let you know, this is just an update to the AMD Adrenalin 22.12.1. But if you like my videos, make sure you subscribe and put some likes on the videos, and make sure you watch all the videos from beginning to the end. This way we can get up to 1,000 subscribers. We can get up to 4,000 watch hours, which I only have 153 watch hours. So please watch the videos. I have over 125 videos on an estimate right now. I'm working towards, getting up to 200 videos. So please like and subscribe them. I would much appreciate it. Remember, I'm just an old guy. I look like I got my Santa look on for you all. I grew it in. I'm trying to do the Santa thing this year. But anyway, make sure you like and subscribe. Until the next video and the next time, this is JJ, your boy. We will see you on the next one.